Hi, I'm Hayden with Journey More. We're here with Wonder Chat at the Artist Treehouse in Rising Fawn, Georgia. Whether you're staying here or at one of Wonder Chat's other amazing properties, we're gonna show you how to make the perfect pizza in the Ooni Pizza Oven. First, you're gonna wanna grab the fire starter, pellets, and lighter that's provided for you. Next, take the cap off the chimney, which will actually double as a great scooper for the pellets. Then, on the chimney, be sure to turn the damper to the vertical position. Now, we're gonna take the tray out of the back of the pizza oven, add our pellets to the tray, put a fire starter on top, light it, and once it's going, we're gonna put it back into the back of the pizza oven. Then we're gonna let the pizza oven heat up for about 5 minutes before we put our pizza in. May have to add some more pellets to keep the flame going, and you'll do that by opening the flap in the back and pouring a little bit in. You don't wanna do too much or you'll smother the fire. While the pizza oven's heating up, we're gonna make our pizzas. Inside, you'll find a blade. We recommend making the pizza on the blade. That way it's an easy transfer into the pizza oven. We would highly recommend using a pre-made crust rather than dough. However, if you're going to use dough, be sure to coat it in flour or cornmeal. That way it slides off the blade into the pizza oven and it'll be easy to take back out. Once you've made your pizza, you can bring it out, open the door, and slide it in. Be sure to put the door back, that way you keep the heat inside, but every couple of minutes, you're gonna wanna turn your pizza about a quarter turn. While the pizza's cooking, you're gonna wanna be sure to add some pellets every now and then. That way it keeps it hot enough to cook the pizza all the way through. Couple things to keep in mind. First, your pizza is probably gonna bake very quickly, so be sure to keep an eye on it, that way it doesn't burn. The second thing is you can regulate the heat of the oven with the damper in the chimney. If you close it, that's actually going to keep a little bit of the smoke in the oven itself, but it's also going to allow the flame to die down and for it to cool down a little bit. And then once you feel it's at the right temperature, be sure to open it back up. That way the oven stays plenty hot. Once your pizza's cooked, you can take it out and enjoy it with an amazing view. We hope this was helpful. Be sure to check out Wonder Chat's other properties at their website, wonderchat.com. Follow them on Instagram, and be sure to check out our channel, Journey More, to see a tour of each of their properties along with our stay.